Yes, massive once, massive respect and blessed love. Welcome again to the channel. You see me, I say. So once I hope everybody are do well and within all the festivities, want to say show more love to each other. You see it. So all the people that would celebrate the holidays want to say blessed holidays and yeah man, just take care of the eye themselves and you understand? Deal with the eye themselves in a one responsible kind of manner. You see me I say? Don't overindulge. See it? So today we are see in our Instagram post where Demarco put out why must show respect to the youth them. Yes, me I say. So in the post when me see him put up, he must say it was a great experience exercising my lyrical skills with these great artists. And him at fully bad Coyote Shino, yeah? And he must say, just want you all to know these niggas ain't no walkover. Although John Wick deal with them wicked, but may have respect for them for stepping up and making the genre nice again. Yeah man, I'm want to say for real a big move Demarco make. You see me I say? Cause Demarco put out the challenge and the youth them step up and yeah I mean the place when get nice again and we like the thing. You see me I say? But at the same time we see all a little rumor when start to surface and all kind of thing. You see it and different people start to jump into the war and the war look like it twist to one different kind of direction and you understand the whole thing when kind of get confusing after a while. You see it? So we have a live where Demarco do. So we are gonna play the video there and move up the item, enjoy the reasoning with Demarco. You see me I say? Cause the man a talk about enough things. You see it, he might talk about he must suffer from COVID and you understand he might talk about the things them where he want to accomplish in our music, the direction where he want to go on. You understand? He might talk about the war same way too. He might talk about foot hype same way too. So we are going to take a listen and we just watch the little live video and you understand? They are them can just comment in a comment section one of the things say the marker deal with if afraid the marker get freed or you understand him a wave the white flag or you understand? But we want to say respect to the marker see we still cause yeah I mean him make the place nice again. He might talk about the $6 million here we so yeah we are gonna watch the video and yeah I mean we are going to keep the comment section alive same way to you see it so yeah man we could just continue to deal with each other in a one respectful kind of manner you see it yeah I mean just keep the comment them coming same way but just keep them respectful you understand so I want to say massive respect to all of the new subscribers. We want to say welcome, you see it, and we want to say give thanks to all of the people them who they share the video. The one them who they watch the video to the end, we want to say give thanks. Massive respect. You see me I say? Yeah man, we don't take nothing for granted. You see me I say? So make we listen the marker live and yeah I mean, and they go and take care of their themselves and blessed holidays. You see me I say? Yeah man, much love, much respect.
Big up Fully Bad. You see me? Big up Coyote, big up Shano. Don't know Shano, one of the baddest thing them in a dance hall. So, we have bad song for come out too. I'm telling dog. When you think that this thing has some physical thing, a lyrical thing, dog. I have love for the whole of the artists, them, you see me? Yeah, man. I just something there link me every minute and I say them vexed. You see me serious say yo. Over just start yo. Over just get her a one run and them just done with the clash so. Right now see with them not talk to me again you know that. Yo, see with them not talk to me again to blood clot. So I say so we say you just stop the clash like that. Fuck you, Jadwick. Jaja. Yo, the clash is bad still. But not to no lie, yo. Clash they mad. Clash them they mad. Yo, I want to tell the vlogger them to yo, I wanna play so rough dog. I wanna go on with dog. I'll be a headline and I'll write some ratty thing like say, yo, I'm to the dog. At 20 than this, yo. I wanna do dog. Just stop ramping me thing, A John Wick this, me kill her, we murder all vlogger too, Clash we clash on too, What you do? Vlogger, don't let me pick up a camera and start vlog pound and hear me, That be telling you, I don't know now, we out for kill everything, I'm to I mean, you not rampant vlogger, The whole of them say I put up some blood clot thumbnail for I mean, you not rampant. Yeah, vlogger them a go on with beer sitting dog. Some headline when me see them a blow up put up. The true is a youth, yo. What time you know? We just chilling and easy, dog. God, yo. For some other man, they make chip, yo. Just beer craziness, But you don't know where I choose. I choose peace. Peace. You see me? Yeah, man, like no pay me, I don't get no money, I don't get no money from. You see me? So I won't be at Sting. I didn't get any money. You see me? So what I go on with? I was Shane out there too. Cause right now, I want to tag him. You need to talk to him too, I want to tag Shane out there. Tag him. Mama say, yo, when you gonna come UK? When them book me, mama. I drop sitting new man soon. I'll be on Friday, you see me? Drop sitting new, you see me? A whole heap of song we have to put out, Carlington, where you calling from? Tag the boss, tag Shadow, tag Vijay. Carlington,
Hey, Mommy, the Mommy I come from. Mommy, I'm going in the city.
Oh, where you going with?
I'm going to drop off on my bridge in the airport, And so,
Oh.
Summer jam boss,
So your review upon the class. Tell me what's going on.
It's nice, man. It's nice.
Nice, no.
You see me? It's nice, man. I tell you something, I Mommy went 2 weeks ago. I'm stepping in a barber shop. And you know, so from one argument, make it in a barber shop.
What from it that barber shop? It gone.
It's done. Yo, around 2 hours, my friend said to the barber, say, yo, brother, hurry up. Hurry up, there's someone for go. And you know when barber start chatting, man.
Dog, the wife, nice, dog.
Man.
But me not tell a lie, the fully bad wire, that one there.
Yeah. That one there. Fully bad. In this area, man. It's a nice little highlight.
Dog, every day, dog, as we go so and drop a song. today. Yo, tomorrow another song I drop.
Yeah.
And the man I drop it with all video. Me I said, blood, you
Yeah.
you drop go hard.
Demarco hard.
I say, yo, when I time me I said, no man, I'm gonna do a one video, man. I'll show me belly.
Demarco, where you sang there? Where you sang there for your dirty money with him? Come on.
Eh?
One thing song for your dirty money
Oh,
with him.
Russian not authorized me, you know.
Him not authorize you.
Russian them not authorized me, you know, and if me go so bomb, you know, and try to fight a Russian not authorized me, but I just bill over him with him, you know. I just link everybody, you know, and call it authorized, you know.
Yeah,
Remember, I'm ready for war, everything, you know, already we are war, you know.
Yeah, man.
You know my thing already, you know, call it,
you
bill over that right away, you know. Tum, 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 tum,
Yeah.
tum. Bill over that and not singing and not say, yo, the whole on the forward we don't get authorized.
I want to tell you, say, last night my artist voice on it, and when I
Me hear it, man.
We put it out.
Me hear it.
Yeah, man.
Me hear it, man. It's bad, you know.
Yeah, man.
So what? Russia not authorize it.
Yeah?
Russia not authorize it.
Well, we don't care enough, because we not authorize it, that all over the place, see me.
Yeah.
People them talk about it, you see me? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Drop it, man.
People them say, yo, it better than some of the man them song.
Yeah? Yo, me need to voice. Yo, man, you know what? To me, I voice pan it in the night.
Yeah, man.
A little joke me there run to, you know, with a little song with Coyote them.
Yo, you know, say from once, Mr. TSC, yo, Demarco, want to dirty money. You know, say.
Yo, me have voice tonight then, you know.
Yeah, man, do it, man. And fuck it up as usual.
Yo, on at Russian too, you know. Yo, right now, you know.
At him.
Oh, Claude, I am to them.
Them like you want to give my head concussion.
Eh? No. Why for that? Why for that? Why? Call it that. Your boy want to give my head concussion. Why? Youth? Why?
Z.
Well, I go and give my head concussion. Why?
Z.
Somebody say lawsuit coming. Yeah, somebody say lawsuit coming for your calling time. For your calling from.
Where's that?
There's a lawsuit coming for you.
There's a lawsuit come to me.
Yeah.
From Russian?
Yeah.
No, man. Russian good, man.
Eh?
I know, say, Russian is a youth, know, say, man, forget the local young artists, them are trying. You see me? You have to support the young artists, them, because they can't have big artists without young artists. You see, because every big artist was a young artist once. You see me? Yeah. You can't have stars without young artists.
Yo, Russian, right now, Russian, I'm going to touch with him, boy.
Huh?
Russian, now, if you have a hot rhythm and John Wick, no, they on it. How you do?
I feel them on a post tomorrow, man. I have a good feeling there, you know?
Oh, so that a go on? So people just do them song and then if you post you're authorized.
Well, I saw me here say.
Oh, it's an audition.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Jaja.
Right, you know, the people them love it, because them say, yeah. Each week you come and the people them look out for one new song on the rhythm.
Oh. Oh,
it's good, man.
So that go.
It's good. It's a good vibe, you know? Especially my artist as a female, she get to show her talent, you understand? Because
true that.
You know, say more time juggling are the thing where actually get to show you up as a young artist.
Yeah. You okay? You go on easy though. You say you drive from which part?
I'm up here, I come from, man. But I come back now in Kingston.
Oh. I'm there, you know, my father.
Yeah, man. Run me around going on my house party, you know.
House party? They have them thing there?
Yeah, man, up in the hills, man.
They have them thing there?
House party, a big thing in Jamaica.
House party, like just in our house?
Yeah, like
music play?
It's a house party, the party I keep in the house, yeah. Play games, domino, Ludi.
A lie.
Yeah, man.
Jamaica don't come like foreign now. So it go?
Yeah, man. Eh?
Oh.
I say, I word Demarco, big up
Me
yourself,
there,
you say.
man. Jamaican, just pick up yourself too. Yeah, me there.
Bless.
Oh, my father. Yeah.
Oh, me disconnect
Oh,
now.
you disconnect.
Oh, see
Yeah,
them.
we don't even know you there, no father. Yeah. Yeah, man. So when I say, Jamaican, just pick up yourself. Hakim. Yo, stop him. Yo, so what them ask? Russian with him? That me for do, you know, go do a live, you know, and just build it over, you know. No, I'm not do that. I wonder, yo, if Russian them, I do my song for Russian rhythm, I'm not approve it. Then, you know, we have to just resort to the billing over. Because you don't know what John would do him thing. When you say foot laughing at me, over that side of the world, you know, non-progressive, you know. Non-progressive, when I listen to over that side, they are the thing, you see me? When I listen to them non-progressive element there. Them and the whole of them, I try look at hype, you see me? And my name them I try ride off on, you know? Know that, bro. Remember, you know, John Wick, you know, remember me, the artist, you know, in the end of the year, yeah, you know. Every artist will kill John Wick, you know. You see me? Man, girl, dog, everybody. Dog shit, everybody. You know the thing, go. You see me? You know the thing set up. Remember, you know. Big up Aishana. Blood clot. Aishana mash up the whole ice stage show. How was she go? Get us flash. Aishi. Blood clot. Aishana no run for clot them more time, you know. Yo. Aishi no run for clot them. Clot them Aishi. So I say, yo, John Wick. Again. See be a egg put up. When I say Eggy them will never get me sing a song for him. Mad. Words like how him I go this all my dead mother. No, sir. Never. I go this my dead mother, dog. You get no points for that. That you go. You look, you say I'm a nice guy. I go this all my dead mother, dog. No points you get for that. Cause you take the show last night. Lie. Cause you're no bad artist, man. What you talk about? Mama tell you know, the artist them go on with them thing, you know, dog. What you talk about? Big up the Coyote. Him take the place last night, yo. I said it forgot. But me I tell you no, my money they are fully bad for sting. Like you know what I say. Coyote a bad artist, but I'm fully bad. Fully bad. That to say. See me right now to the hits. Some more of them I want to build right now. You see this? And some more of them I want to build. You see that? Yeah, man. Some more of them certified gold thing I want to build. That with the fun. Marco build that. That's how we the fun. John with them build that. You see me? Clash nice and all of that, but yo, right now we want to do some rotted, real hit songs. You see me? Me and the youth, me and Fully Bad for the song, me and Coyote for the song. Me and Shane for the song, and do some song with substance. A Senator Road. Ready? You see me? But them a go war a sting still, Coyote and Fully Bad, so no friendship until the war done. After that, yeah, they would start the same work.